a Carmelita bar, which is like a caramel cookie bar, but we're going to completely transform it with leftover cranberry sauce.
Cool.
So to this, we've got some butter. Let's add some flour, some oats.
Okay.
And then we're also gonna add some brown sugar for some sweetness.
Gotcha.
A little bit of a leavener here and some baking soda and some salt. And I love doing this in the mixer because it does all the work. This is essentially going to form a dough, and you're gonna take half of it, press it into the bottom of your pan,
there, right?
like you've done there. Then the other half is going to stay out. So once it gets pressed down here, we're gonna pop it in the oven. This has actually already been in the oven. It's a really light, yeah, it's light, kind of like a Blondie bar, in a sense. And the next thing that happens here is going to be some caramel. So let's pop over here and talk about making caramel. Because caramel is something I love to do during the holidays, and it's really simple. All we're doing is we've got some sugar in here with a little bit of water. We're gonna add some heat. And what's gonna happen, this one's almost there for us. It's starting to turn that nice amber color.
And it really gets a beautiful fragrance.
Yes, totally,
It starts to smell all toasty. It smells like caramel.
And once you get that up to about 330 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm gonna add some heavy cream. It bubbles up, some butter, yum, and a little bit of salt.
Yum.
As that cools, it's gonna look this beautiful golden brown color.
Look at that.
I know. Now, the Thanksgiving spin here is we're actually going to add some cranberry sauce to make it cranberry caramel. All right. Look how pretty that is.
Isn't that great?
All right, so once we've done that, we're gonna add a teeny bit of flour here to thicken it up for our bar cookie, and Rachel will pop back over and assemble this guy.
This looks perfect. I'm gonna turn him off.
Beautiful.
Gotcha.
All right, so we've got the bar base that's been cooked. From here, you want to take, are they pecans or pecans to you?
They're both delicious. I don't care.
Okay, good. That's the right answer.
Anything you want at your house.
I love it. So
add these?
Yep, add those right on top. We've got some white chocolate chips. And then the next thing that's going to happen is this cranberry caramel. It's going to go right over the top. So you've got that tart mixed with the sweet, which is really beautiful.
Crazy.
And then we can crumble that crust right on top.
And then you put this, it's crumbly though. I don't have to press it.
Nope.
They just make a little cranberry crumble on the top.
Totally.
Of the bar.
Like that. And then we bake this off.
And then you bake it again, right?
And we have a really, really delicious bar cookie. Let me grab them.
All right, you grab them. I'll finish putting this one together. We can pop them in the oven too.
All right. Look at these.
Oh my God, they look amazing. Kelsey, those are gorgeous.